Welcome dear students, hope all of you are doing very well. So in this video I will solve question number 6 of 13.1 and the chapter is chapter 13 exponents and power. So let us start with question number 6 simplify. And if you have any doubt relating to any of the question you can just mention it in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubt. Okay, so let us start with question number 6 simplify. First one is 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. So we can write it as, we have to solve it. We have to solve it. Uh, 2 is given only one time. So we will write only one time 2. And 10 is given 10 raised to the power 3. So we can write it as 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. Now 2 into 10 into 10 into 10 will be 1000. 2 into 1000 will be 2000. So this is the answer for the first one, 2000. It was so simple. Second one, let's see second one. 7 square means 7 we have to write 2 times. Between multiplication sign is given, so write multiplication. Now 2 again, 2 raised to the power 2. Again we have to write 2 times. 2 into 2. Now multiply these terms. 7 sevens are 49 into 2 twos are 4. And 49 into 4 will be 4 nines are 36, carry 3, 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 19, 196. Coming to the third one, 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 3 times. And 5 only one time is given, so only once. We have to write 5 only once. 2 twos are 4 into 3 into 5. 4 threes are 12 into 5. 12 fives are 60. So this was the third one. Now let's see the fourth one. 3 into 4 raised to the power 4. 3 only one time 3 is written, so we will write only once 3. 4 raised to the power 4 means we have to write 4 times. 1 2 3 and 4. Now multiply these terms. 3 into 4 fours are 16 into 4 fours are 16. Now multiply it. 16 into 16. 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9. 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 6. 10 11 12 13 14 15. 9 plus 6 15, carry 5. 9 plus 6 15, carry 1 and 1 plus 1 2, 256. Now 3 into 256. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 5s are 15 or 1 16 is 6, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 768. So this is the answer for the fourth one. Coming to the fifth one, 0 into 10 square. 0 only once and 10 raised to the power 2 means 10 we have to write 2 times. Now 0 and 10 into 10 will be 100 and 0 hundreds are 0. So answer is 0. Sixth one, 5 raised to the power 2 means 5 2 times into 3 raised to the power 3 means 3 times. Now 5 5s are 25 into 3 3s are 9 into 3. Now 25 into 9 3s are 27. Now multiply 25 into 675. 675. Now next one, seventh one. I am rubbing this first one. I am rubbing this first, second and third one. Now the seventh one is 2 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 2 means we have to write 2 4 times. 1 2 3 4 and 3 2 times. 3 into 3. Multiply the terms. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Now 4 4s are 16 and 16 into 9. 16 into 9 will be 144. So the answer for the seventh one is 144. Last one, eighth one, 3 raised to the power 2 and 10 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 2 times and 10 raised to the power 4 means 10 4 times. 1 2 3 and 4. 3 we can write it as, no, we have to multiply these terms. We have to not write in the exponential form. We have to multiply this. So let us multiply it in the pairs. 3 3s are 9, 10 10s are 100 and 10 10s are 100. Now 9 into 100 into 100 will be 10,000. 9 into 10,000 will be 9 ones are 9 and 0 0 0 0 90,000. 90,000. So this was the answer for the eighth one. Here we have completed question number 6, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth part. And hope you have understood this question. This was very simple. And if you have any doubt relating to any of the question, you can mention it in the comment section. In the next video, I will solve question number 7 for you. So till then, take care. Bye bye.